Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to disable Exodus sound. If you are trying to disable the Exodus sound every time it makes, whenever you have a notification on your Exodus wallet, then the process is quite easy. Make sure you watch the video until the very end. First of all, launch Open Exodus application from your app drawer. Enter your passcode for your wallet to open it up. Once you get to the main homepage of your wallet, make sure to tap on the waffle menu at the bottom right corner. Now, select Settings from the list, and then from the Settings menu, disable this option right next to Sounds. Once you do that, you will be able to turn off sounds from Exodus wallet. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.